Jamaica, watch
family in
this.
Spanish Town, St. Catherine is struggling to cope without a father and a son who have been missing for almost 3 weeks.
What was supposed to be a regular workday for 48-year-old Tyburn Harris and his 17-year-old son, Tishawn Harris, has turned into a nightmare for his family, as the duo did not return home. They were last seen on February 24 on their way to Kingston, where Mr. Harris worked as a contractor, making, fixing, and installing windows for clients. But since that morning,
all efforts to make contact has been futile.
His partner became concerned after several failed routine check-ins. The family then alerted the police. Residents of Shelter Rock in Spanish Town refer to Mr. Harris as the window man, who was always helping the youth.
You look at his status and you know who he is. He's a hard-working person who shows everything he does he's proud of. It doesn't matter how small a job is that he has done. Once you look at his status, you know that he's proud of the work he's done.
What, mate, now?
His son recently joined him in the business, and like any proud father, he boasted about his work.
Alright, shut it.
In an emotional plea, his mother, 79-year-old Janet Harris, begged for their safe return.
Wherever they are, I'm begging and pleading for anyone knowing their whereabouts, please bring them back. They have parents also, so think about themselves.
TVJ News understands that Mr. Harris's car was found in Bull Bay, St. Andrew.